Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna take the Typhon 3S out. I've had this thing all the way up to a 6S system in it, but I don't know, I like it with the 3S system in it better. I've got the ZD Racing shocks, front and rear. Seem pretty good, a little soft in the front, but it keeps the front end down a little bit more. What else? I've got a bunch of hot racing in it. Steering, the steering bar in the front, the Arrma bar, the pivot balls, the hubs inside. I think they're called the yokes, front and back. So it does, so the plastic ones don't stretch. It keeps the gears all together. And these are the Arrma Typhon wheels on it right now that are glued back together, and they seem to be holding up pretty good. So let's get the steering in here right. See, steering trim. But yeah, this is so far the 3S I've liked it better than the 4S. I drove 6S once just to get some speed passes, and it's just, this car's too small for that, in my opinion. I know people run them on 3S all the time, but I mean 6S, but it's got plenty of power. Ooh. It's nice and dusty back here. Makes it good for sliding around. I'm pretty sure I have a 20-tooth pinion in there too. Stock spur. I don't think it's a 26. Ooh. Maybe I'll set up one of these days, throw some cones out here, do like a little street. It's a little dusty, but I think it'd be fun because it would slide out, make it a little more challenging. Bring my limitless out here to I need to do some practicing with it, so what'd I do? Shut off. Must have got, I bet you got hot. Let's go see. Nah, I don't know what it is. I bet you it's the battery. Let's see. Let us see, what do we got here? Let's take, we got a Spectre one right here. Oh yeah, that battery's smoking hot. And bring my gauge. Yeah, I got the connectors really hot. $378. It shouldn't have gotten that low in the first place, though. I think that might be a bad battery. 378. All right, let's put this back on, and we'll put the body on, and we'll try the SpeedTek RC and see if it shuts off. Like I said, I can hold my hand to there. Everything feels cool except for the connector on this on that battery. So try this again. Oh. It's way down there, guys. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Did not mean to do that one. Shut off again. Something's getting hot in there. Oh no. Sounds like a pinion came off, guys. Wee wee. So sounds like a pinion out of there. Yeah, either I stripped the gears or the pinion came out, so we will have to check that out, take it home and fix two cars again. Like I said, we didn't really hit any curbs today, but we did brick a couple cars, so there you go. I call that even. Didn't break anything hard. These tires are starting to wear out pretty good. I have to rotate them back to front, try to keep them together. Eventually gonna have to get some new ones, maybe find some pro lines or something. But there you go, guys. Typhon 3S. It's a fun car. So please like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share the videos for me so I can get a couple more viewers. Appreciate it, guys.